Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, and welcome back to another Jordan video. As you can tell by the title of this video, my 13th birthday just passed. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the birthday love. And today I'm going to be doing a 13th birthday haul, what I got for my birthday, and yeah, just so you guys know, this is not meant to be braggy. I'm just doing this because it was requested a lot. I'm gonna save the best present for last, so make sure you stay all the way to the end to see. I've been waiting for so long to get it, and I'm so glad I finally get it, so make sure you see it. First thing I'm going to start with is this Forever 21 bag. So I went shopping before my actual birthday and I got some things. So first thing I got are these it's a super cute overall dress. It's so adorable. I absolutely love it. I really like the pattern, and the color is like a color I don't really have in my closet. This black, white, and pink like plaid skirt, and I really think it's cute, and I feel like I can go with a lot of stuff I have. And oh, this one is so cute. My mom saw it and thought it would be perfect. So it's this like cardigan, and it's super adorable, and it has these super cute pockets. It's so cute. I love it. And then the buttons are also really adorable. And then the last thing I got there is this plain tee. And it's like this really pretty color. I like it a lot. And I like how the sleeves are like ruffled like that. Like curly. So moving on into this bag, I got this super cute lavender like sweatshirt. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like really fluffy, and it's perfect because it's getting cold in Las Vegas now, like super cold. So it is perfect, and it's a really pretty color. And then I got these olive pants, and they are just so cute. I wanted some cargo pants, and these are like have the cargo pockets, and I really like them a lot, and they're soft. In this bag I had this super cute jammy set, and it's like a cheetah print, and it's super cute and soft, and it comes with this really adorable scrunchie that matches it with the colors, and it's just like a full-on outfit, a full-on fit. And then we have this suit, which is super funny, and I really like it. I'm going to put a clip of me in it when I got it right here on the screen, so you know like what it is. It's super funny. And then I got a bunch of squishmallows and stuffed animals. So I got this super cute corgi stuffed animal. It's adorable. The butt. And it's so cute and so soft. And then I got this walrus squishmallow, and I love it so much. I love the flippers on this one, and he's like built like a square, and I just think he's so cute. And I got this tiny little deer squishmallow, and I really wanted this one. I'm really happy I got it because I thought it was adorable. And I got this Dumbo. Look at the ears! The ears are so cute! Am I right? No. Yes, I am. And then, we got this super giant Baby Yoda squishmallow. Look at how cute he is. He is humongous. And the ears, too. I love the ears. He's so soft. Whoa. And next up, I got, ow! Why do you come and attack me? So, next I got these roller skates. And these are super cute. They're from my grandma and my great-grandma. Thank you so much if you're watching. And these are like a really pretty blue. And guess what? When you roll them, you see that? I'll put a clip on the side, and when you roll them, they light up. And it's so fun. I can't wait to get riding in these when I get good. I'm not that good. Then I also got these super cute Floral Crocs. Like the white with the like flowers in the front. I really like this, and me and my mom already created an outfit with my grandma too. We already created an outfit in mine, and these are so cute, and you guys know how I love my Crocs. Wear them with anything and everything. So these were a perfect gift and I love them so much. They're so cute. Then I got some Doc Martens and I love Doc Martens. They're so cute. Look at them. So I was actually at the store when my mom and dad purchased these so I could pick out like which one I wanted, and I love them so much. They're so cute. So then I got this super cute Stitch pillow, or like it's a stuffed animal, but like you can lay on it like a pillow. It's so cute. I saw this at Target with my mom and I wanted to get it and she said no. And look who got it now. Me. When we went shopping before my birthday, the same with the Forever 21 stuff, I got this ducky at this super cute mall place, this super cute store at the mall. Kind of want to go back because I also got money for my birthday. So I want to go back because I want to get more because they're so cute. And then I got money from my family, which I'm super thankful for. And I also got lip glosses and blankets and other stuff like pajamas, and I really thankful for that, but if I added all of them it would have been like a super long video. And last but not least, my parents got me something I've been begging for. I got a puppy! Ah! Oh. So this is Draco. He is 12 weeks old and he is so cute. He's a Rottweiler and he is really cute. He's been a little bad, chewing on everything and anything, but I love him so much and I am so happy that I got them for my birthday. He's so cute. So my mom tricked me that we had to go take some pictures for Instagram, and then we went to the park and my dad was there with him running around in the grass. Oh, it was the best surprise ever. He's really sleepy right now though, but he was awake during filming when it wasn't his time to shine, but now he wants to be sleepy. Okay, so that is what I got for my birthday. I am thankful for everything here. Thank you so much to friends and family, and I'm just so happy, and especially thank you for the dog. I mean, like, that's a pretty big present. Am I right? I'm 13. I'm really excited to be 13. Shout out to all of you guys. I know some of you have been here from the very beginning when I was really young, and I'm so thankful for that. And I'm also thankful for the ones who came in the middle and the ones who are coming now. We're just one big family and I love every single one of you. And again, thank you so much for all the birthday love, all the happy birthdays. I tried to get to all of them on my TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love.